In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide emails in your Gmail inbox. Keeping your inbox tidy and organized can be a challenge, especially if you're dealing with an influx of emails every day. It can be overwhelming to sort through messages when you need to focus on what's truly important. But no worries, with a few simple steps, you can easily hide those emails that aren't of immediate concern, allowing you to declutter your inbox effectively and restore some much needed peace of mind. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is open up your Gmail account. Once you're in, take a good look at your list of emails. Identify the email or emails that you want to hide from the main view. Now, to select the email, hover your mouse over the email list. You'll notice a small square checkbox appear on the left side of each email. Click this checkbox to select the email you wish to archive. This action sets you up perfectly for the next step. With your email selected, you will see a range of icons appear at the top of your inbox. One of these icons resembles a file box with a downward arrow, which is the archive icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. By selecting the archive option, you're telling Gmail to keep a record of this email without it appearing in your primary inbox. This means the email gets tucked away neatly out of sight, but don't worry. It's not gone for good. You can always find it later if you need to revisit it by searching for it. You might be wondering what happens to that email now. The archived email is moved out of your main inbox and into the All Mail folder. This folder houses all your emails, both archived and unarchived. Think of it like a vault or a storage facility where emails are kept away from the chaos of your inbox yet are still accessible when you need them. Here's a handy tip. Remember that archiving emails is a brilliant way to reduce inbox clutter without the stress of permanent deletion. It's perfect for those who want to maintain a clean working space but need to retain potential access to information later on. As we've seen today, hiding emails in your Gmail inbox can be a quick and easy process, helping you to keep focused on what's important without being distracted by less crucial communications. By following these straightforward steps, you're on your way to mastering the art of inbox management, bringing you one step closer to email zen. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in enhancing your email experience.